Hello from Spain. I'm in Alcazar, the village of Alcazar. I hope I pronounce it correctly. And after the morning walk, food is great. People are very nice everywhere you go. And the weather is really favoring us. And here is a topic that I'm talking about, which is drones. Everybody is talking about drones recently, and it seems like people think that, okay, drones is the answer for all our problems. So let's think about drones and pest control. What it does, what it can do for us, what it cannot do for us. So when it comes to applying pesticides, drone is an additional way of applying pesticides. Just like we can spray it from a sprayer on our back, from a tractor, from an airplane, we can also do it using a drone. It is maybe easier, more convenient in some cases, but it's simply another way of applying pesticides. So, no surprises, no magics. When we are talking about drones, drones are not the word for ecological control, green control, the control of the future. It's simply another way of applying pesticides, insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, all of them. It may work better, it may work less, but it keeps us with the same basic issues that it doesn't solve. First, we have application of chemicals to the environment. We have poisonous chemicals, and some are less, but still applied to the environment. Repeated spraying and disturbing the biological balance. So all the issues that we have today when applying pesticides exactly are remained when we apply it by drone. Only it is more convenient. So let's remember, drones can help us to apply pesticides. Of course, also to other things, to apply pesticides. But it doesn't give any solution to the basic problems that we wish to see. Pest control without pesticides, without chemicals being in contact, direct contact with the environment. So from Alcazar, bye-bye.